My name is Jacob Frank with Lanz Plumbing. We are here at a customer's house today to show you exactly what we do for our plumbing maintenance.
A preventative portion of the plumbing maintenance. We're here in the kitchen now. In the kitchen, we go through the drains, make sure that there's no clogged drains. We're going to make sure that the kitchen faucet is not dripping. We're going to look under the dishwasher and make sure that everything is completely dry, the water supply and the drain. And we're going to look behind the fridge if you have an ice maker in your home. Just a visual inspection to make sure that there's no water that could create a lot of damage over time. Kitchen sink and all the other lavatory faucets in your house all have aerators. Over time, aerators get clogged up and dirty from sediment and calcium deposits, and they can decrease the flow to all your faucets. It's very important to clean these over time, or as you see here, we have a very dirty aerator that definitely needs to be cleaned. In the bathroom portion of the plumbing maintenance, we're going to be looking over your lavatory faucet, making sure that it holds water. We're going to be making sure that your faucet does not have any drips, and we're going to be making sure that it drains correctly. Here is the toilet. What we do to the toilet is we put a toilet tank leak detector tablet in the tank, and that shows us whether or not the flapper is bad. You can see here that this toilet bowl has clear water in it, meaning that the blue dye was not able to get past the flapper, so that the flapper is still operating correctly. We're going to test the operation of your flush valve and your fill valve also. Here's the tub shower. What we usually do with the tub shower is test the waste and overflow, make sure that they are operating correctly. If it's possible to do a visual inspection underneath, we will do that. We're also going to turn the shower on and test the tub spout diverter. Here we are on the opposite side of the tub shower that you just saw in the last video. Here is an access panel, and these lots of tub showers don't have these, but when they do, we always try to perform a visual inspection. Another portion of the plumbing maintenance is that we do a visual inspection of your washer. We look around the base of the washer to make sure there's no water or moisture, and we do a visual inspection of the washing machine hoses. We like to recommend that you replace those annually. In front of the sump pump pit, this is a very important part of the plumbing in your house. During your routine plumbing maintenance, we're going to be doing a visual check on both your primary and your secondary sump pumps to make sure that they're both operating correctly. Not least is the water heater inspection. There's quite a few parts to the water heater inspection. First of all, we're going to check your gas valve to make sure that it's operating correctly. We are going to check your boiler drain, which drains your water heater. We're going to be draining your water heater, and we're going to make sure that you have sufficient intake air. This particular model has a screen, and we're going to take that off and we're going to clean it. Near the top of the water heater, we have your temperature and pressure relief valve. Really, that's a very easy visual inspection. If you see any water near the bottom of the copper tubing, you know that there might be a problem or it needs to be replaced. On the top of them, we have a couple shutoff valves. This is your cold water heater supply shutoff valve. We're going to test that. We're going to do a visual inspection to make sure that there's no leaks anywhere in the area. And we're also going to make sure that your flue is operating correctly.
Part of your plumbing maintenance is testing all of your outside lawn faucets. Here is the standard hose bill. Moving around to the back, here we have a frost-free lawn faucet, which I would highly recommend. Always be sure to remove your hose from your lawn faucet before the first frost.
The last part of the plumbing maintenance, it involves IDing and tagging all of the different shutoffs in your house. This is your main water shutoff valve. We're going to tag this and continue throughout the rest of the house.
Again, my name is Jacob Frank. This concludes our plumbing maintenance. Give us a call today at 355-5512.